Hey y'all, and welcome to the Farming Pastor's Wife. I'm so glad you're here because I have an exciting unboxing to do. It's an unboxing of some snacks. So come on, we're going to get into this box. Okay guys, if you saw my last video, which is where I decided what type of diet I was going on, I'm basically going low carb keto type diet, but it's going to be the Leslie diet. It's kind of going to be adapted to me and my needs and my lifestyle. But let me tell you, I am good at meals. When I'm eating at home, I'm good. I can find a good healthy meal to fix. I am good when we go out to eat for the most part, unless we go to just like a pizza joint or something, which is, I had to, kind of dealt with that last night, so I just ate a little bit of pizza. But we did that as a church, so it wasn't like I made a bad choice. But anyway, so it's the snacks that get me. It's when I get the munchies. I have had a really hard time finding good low carb snacks. Well, that is until I heard of KetoKrate. So let me tell you, I reached out to them to see if they would send me a box and maybe a discount code for you guys. And guess what? They did. I have no idea about this company. I've never had anything. I've never bought anything. I've just seen it like on Facebook and YouTube and so forth. So they sent me a box and they've also sent me a discount code for you guys. So you guys stay tuned to the end for that. But now let's see what's in this box. Okay guys, I'm just opening the tape here. I couldn't find a knife, like a good knife for this, so I'm having to use these little bitty scissors. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to show you what the box looks like. It says KetoKrate, your mission. In this box are products created by people who believe in you. They believe that you are in control of your health. They believe that given the choice, you will choose long-term well-being over a quick fix. Now see, the quick fix is the thing, because it's the snacks that get me, you know? Okay, so this, I guess, is a pamphlet with what's in here. And so I'll keep this off to the side so we can look at it. And, okay, so I'm going to set the box down and pull each item out at a time and show you what it is, okay? And I'm going to open my pamphlet. So, y'all, I haven't opened this. This is like, oh, there's recipes in here. It's just a pamphlet about KetoKrate Club and so forth. Okay. Yum. There's recipes in there. All right, let's see what this is. This is Sport Tea, the ultimate daily beverage with EC ginseng, vitamin C, and electrolytes. So we've got a tea. Energize your day. So we've got a tea. I may fix me that in just a little bit. Okay. We have a pork stick. Oh, it's pineapple flavored. Never had that. 7 grams of protein, 100 calories, and 1 gram of sugar. I don't see how many carbs. Total carbs 2. So that's a great little snack here. And listen, if there's anything high fat, I know I told you guys I'm not probably doing the high fat end of keto, but if there is anything high fat in here, I have a son who is doing full-fledged keto, and he will get those type snacks. Primal Kitchen, I've heard of them. If you're following anything health related, Primal Kitchen is a very clean, organic type company. Chocolate coconut protein bar. So there's your little protein bar to stick in your pocketbook if you get the growls, the stomach growls while you're out. All right. Collagen peptides. Now, I have not got into drinking collagen, but I hear it's really good for your joints. And I'm getting to that age where my joints are starting to hurt a little bit. So, hair, skin, and nail support as well. It's very good for those. Another lady I watched says it helps her joints. My hair and skin, you know, I've got that autoimmune and it gives me the facial rash. So that might be good for my skin. Okay. Monk Pack Keto Granola Bar. It's a coconut cacao chip or chocolate chip, basically. I guess. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, it's 2 net carbs. It's another little bar to stick in your pocketbook or just to have here. Or I guess it could be a quick little breakfast. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, this is Perfect Keto's nut butter. This is Snickerdoodle nut butter. Nut butter made with almonds, cashews, macadamias, coconut, cinnamon, and MCT oil. Now, I'm really not sure what to do with this, so I've got to research this and see how people, if they mix it in their shakes or what they do. I'm really not sure. Suggested use. Drizzle over ice cream. Go get you some of that keto ice cream. Drizzle over ice cream. Spread it on a keto bar. Blend in with your smoothies. There, I see I had it right with the shakes. Or eat the whole pouch. We won't tell anyone. So that's a Snickerdoodle flavor of nut butter. And that's by Perfect Keto. So if you're into the keto, the full-fledged keto, you've heard of the company Perfect Keto. All right, now here. See, now I'm getting into the salty stuff, which is what I miss the most. Scooter? I don't know how you pronounce that. Sea salt. It looks like pumpkin seeds. Yeah. Dry roasted pumpkin seeds. Yeah, so there is me a salty snack. See, this is what I'm looking for. This is the munchies things that I need. All right, here's another protein bar. It's peanut butter raspberry. Now, chocolate raspberry, this is interesting. I don't know what peanut butter raspberry is going to taste like. I don't know. But it is by Atlas protein bar. This is the higher end of the carbs. This bar right here is 5 grams. I would make this a meal. This is 5 net carbs. So yeah, this might be a breakfast, like a total breakfast or something. Okay. Ooh, this looks good. Hello Life, really ranchy, crispy Gouda cheese and pecan snacks. There's my another salty snack. That's what I'm missing. Like, sometimes I would come in on Sunday night and we would pop a bowl of popcorn. Well, that's carbs. I can't do that. And I can't eat a bag of chips. That's carbs. I can't do that. So, although last night I indulged on some carbs when I ate pizza. But it was so good. But it's about all I've had all day. So, with the exception of a few bites of chicken at lunch. That was it. So, this looks really good. I'm gonna go back through and hold these up to the camera. Cookies. See, I haven't been able to have cookies. Keto cookies. This is by Kiss My Keto. And it's butter cookies. So, I'll get my cookie fix here. So, it is butter cookies, Kiss My Keto, keto cookies. These look good. I'm excited. All right, here's another beef stick or another, sausage thing. Jalapeno smoked meat stick. I don't see how many carbs it has. I don't see, and that's because I'm blind. Not really blind, but my eyesight is definitely leaving me. So I'm not sure about this one, how many. It probably says on here somewhere. I guess it's got to say on here somewhere. I just can't find it. But anyway, it is a jalapeno smoked meat stick, and that sounds delish. All right, another protein bar. Raw Rev, creamy peanut butter and sea salt protein bar. It's 2 sugars, and I'm not sure how many net carbs. Let's see. We will see how many carbs it has. 3 net carbs. So that is another protein bar, and it is creamy peanut butter and sea salt. Here comes Isaac. He's checking it out to see what he can have. And another salty snack that I'm so excited about. Huevos dill pickle chips. These are made from egg whites, and so I'm really excited about them. There's 4 net carbs in this bag, so this is a good little snack. I can eat the whole bag and be fine. And it's made with avocado oil, so even the fat that it's made with is healthy fat. And it's made from egg whites. So, all right, guys, there you go. There's the Huevos chips, the Gouda snacks, one of the protein bars, 1, 2, 3, another protein bar, 4, a meat stick, 5, another meat stick, 6, a bar, 7, another bar, 8, the collagen peptides, 9, the keto cookies, 10, the perfect keto nut butter, 11, the pumpkin seeds, where was I, 11? This is 12, and the tea, 13. So I've got 13 snacks plus some recipes in this pamphlet. I am excited about KetoKrate. So let me tell you, Isaac is standing over me right now, hovering to get into this box. So let me tell you about the deal the company has given me to give you guys. This is a monthly subscription. It comes to your house every month, and you get new things. They do all the hard work for you. They search out all the good keto snacks, low carb snacks. So it is $39.99 or somewhere around $39 a month. And they have offered me to give you guys, my viewers, a discount code of $10 off your first purchase, your first month's box. So in the description below, I'm going to add my link to get your KetoKrate and my discount code so that you can get the Farming Pastor's Wife discount code. This is, like I said, a monthly box that comes to your house, and you get snacks that you didn't even have to go shopping for. How great is that? And so anyway, and you get $10 off your first month. So enjoy your KetoKrate. I hope you get it. Look in the description below for the link and the discount code to get your $10 off your first month's box. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. I'm ready to dig in. Do you want me to taste something? Like, what should I taste? Brian, which one should I taste?
Just one of the snacks.
Well, which one? They're all snacks. The cookies. Let's try the cookies. I've never had a keto cookie. I didn't know you could find cookies that were keto. And I can't open it. Okay. Maybe the butter cookies was not the one to open, because I can't get in it. I'm using my scissors right now. Listen to him telling me to use my scissors. Does he think I'm blonde or something? It still won't open. There we go. Okay. These are butter cookies. That's how big they are. And the bag is pretty full. It's a pretty full bag of cookies. Those taste just like butter cookies. Oh my goodness. That is really good. It's probably just a little bit less sweet than what you would traditionally make at home. But it tastes like a butter cookie. That's really good. That's really good. So, but now be sure to read your labels, because half of this bag is your serving. So you can't eat the whole bag and think that you're only getting, you know, whatever the carbs are. And this is sweetened with allulose. I haven't used a lot of allulose, but I hear it's really good to like fix with your ice creams and stuff. So, Isaac and I are going to tear into our KetoKrate box. Remember to look down below for your coupon code. I've got a couple companies who are sending me some products to review, so those will be coming up in some, almost all of them have given me a discount for my viewers. So I don't want to get into a lot of that, but I do have a couple items. One that I really needed, so it's really good. But I don't want my channel to become about product reviews, but I do have a few coming up. Some that I think will be very helpful to you guys. And I thought if you are watching your carbs and you haven't heard of KetoKrate, this is a good opportunity to try it. So be sure to check the links out down in my description. Thank you for watching The Farm and Pastor's Wife as we're losing this weight together. And I hate to end it with my little cliche about if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything. But I guess with keto, that's okay. But yeah. So thank you for watching The Farm and Pastor's Wife. I hope you have a great day. I love you all. Bye.